Hey everyone, this is Dan at SPE Motorsports. On this week's product spotlight, we're going to go over our coolant bottles that we offer for the 15 to current F-150. All the modern Fords, including the Mustangs, the F-150s especially, have a absolutely atrocious coolant bottle from the factory. This is the F-150 coolant bottle. They just look terrible. They sit up high. They look absolutely terrible. So we already have an offering that's a full billet piece for the Mustang. We wanted to come out with something for the F-150 that was aesthetically pleasing, but still offered all the things that we want out of a coolant bottle. And when I say that, what I'm saying is things like the vent for the cap, being able to put it somewhere and control it and then do another catch can, all the fittings, keeping it nice looking, but still retaining the factory style connections, you know, all the things that you would want about a drop-in part. So what we basically did is we came up with something that utilizes all parts of our business in a way. A billet mounting tab, the billet quick connect, the billet upper half section of the bottle itself, along with a billet neck for a standard style coolant cap. The reason we like to use your standard Stant style vent cap, is obviously you can get these where they have the vent lever. So it's nice because if you do need to check the cooling system, the vehicle's still hot, you can break the pressure loose out of it and then take the cap off without spraying yourself. And the other thing is these caps are readily available. So if you have an issue with a cap, you're not trying to find a Ford specific part, and you're not kind of stuck if you're at the track. If you're just out anywhere and you need a coolant cap, it's easily replaceable. The other thing about these caps is they're way better at controlling the venting process than the plastic caps. The plastic caps, they have a lot of issues with the seats in them. So one of the major problems with the plastic cap is a seat issue. So being that the valve that's internal in here and the seat for the valve is plastic, sometimes they'll lift and they vent and they won't fully seat again. So you'll have a lot of issues with the cooling system might not be able to continue to build pressure after it vents because it's constantly venting. That's one small issue with them. The fact that they're plastic, they get brittle over time, that's another issue. And also on the factory bottle, these caps actually vent right here. So there's no way to attach a hose to this. It's very unsafe if you're running a boosted application and you blow a head gasket, or even if it's not supercharged or turbocharged, but you do blow a head gasket, or you overfill the system and you're going down the track and this vents, this goes all over the ground, on the motor, everywhere. It makes a mess and you could potentially wreck the car, or truck. So that's something that we always integrate into our bottles because that's a safety issue for us, you know. So back to the construction of this. Has a billet top half with a fabricated lower section. So this allows us to keep the weight down, keeps it minimal as far as the weight goes. It is a metal piece, so it's a little bit heavier than the plastic one, but it kind of checks all the boxes as far as the looks go for us. And it's not a generic, just, you know, fabricated tin can. You know, it actually has a little bit of substance to it, looks nice, it fits the bill. So you do lose a tiny bit of coolant capacity, but this section here does actually sit above the rad, so you still have a lot of expansion. It's no different than, you know, an older vehicle that has a standard radiator in it. You're just going to fill it up, and you're going to basically fill it up into the bottle, and you're going to keep that airspace above it so it can expand and contract. But the nice thing about this is, first off, it doesn't look bad. Second off, it sits nice and low. So if you have a supercharger set up on your truck, you have a turbo set up, whatever, when you pop the hood, you're not looking at this. You can actually see the rest of the components in the engine bay. So that was kind of a big thing for us with that. But very simple product. It's obviously a coolant bottle. The nice thing about it, as I stated a few things, but we have the fittings are actually replaceable. So the smaller hoses, the degas and recirc hoses that go on the bottle, we include anodized fittings that go in here. They're replaceable. You could actually convert them from the 8th MPT that we have here to, say, like an AN line. So if you're doing like a really nice build and you don't want push on rubber hose or quick push lock hose, you want an actual like AN style fitting, you could actually convert this to an AN style fitting, run, you know, stainless braided hose. The other thing, obviously, as I touched on with the vent, ours actually has an 1/8 inch NPT vent. So you can put a fitting on this and run it to an actual catch tank so it's not blowing all over your engine. So those are most of the key features of this. So we just wanted to kind of cover that. We'll do some footage here of them on the vehicle so you can get an idea how it looks. And if this video is out, the product will be up on the website and they'll be up for purchase. So if you have any questions on this product, how to install, what years it fits, you know, et cetera, give us a call, shoot us an email, you know, like and subscribe. There'll be more of these videos to come, and we'll catch you on the next one.